Greetings, fellow hustlers. Welcome back to Moneymaker Energy, the ultimate destination for turning your aspirations into financial reality. Today's video is a game changer, a comprehensive journey into the realm of Google Maps, where we'll explore not one, not two, but 5 revolutionary ways to turn it into your personal cash cow. If you're ready to make a consistent $100 to $500 daily, all from the comfort of your home, buckle up because this video is about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. 1. The Local Guide Program. Let's start our journey with the hidden gem, the Local Guide Program on Google Maps. Did you know that every review, photo, or piece of valuable information you contribute can translate into real cash? It's called the Local Guide Program, a platform where you not only help others navigate their world, but also get rewarded for it. Points earned can be redeemed for perks like Google Drive storage, discounts on Google products, and yes, even cold hard cash. Stay tuned as we unveil the strategies to reach level 5 and potentially pocket up to $500 in a day, all while contributing to your local community. Now let's dive deeper into the mechanics of the Local Guide Program. Joining is simple. Sign into your Google account, navigate to the Google Maps app, click on the menu button, select your contributions, and then click Join the Local Guide Program. Once in, you can start contributing by adding reviews, answering questions, uploading photos, and adding missing places. Each contribution earns you points, and the more points you accumulate, the higher your level in the program. The rewards are diverse, ranging from access to exclusive Google events, merchandise, to even cash rewards. Members reaching level 4 or above can apply for a free Google One subscription. But the real value lies not just in the rewards, but in the sense of community and contribution. By being part of the Local Guide Program, you're not just making money, you're making a positive impact on the way people experience their world. 2. Google AdSense with Google Maps. Now let's shift gears to another lucrative avenue, Google AdSense. If you have a website or blog, this is your ticket to monetizing your digital real estate. Imagine making money every time someone clicks on an ad. But here's the twist. By integrating Google Maps into your site, you can showcase ads related to local businesses, becoming a matchmaker between users and services and cashing in on every click. It's a win-win-win. Users find local services, businesses get exposure, and you earn money. Stay tuned as we unravel the steps to join AdSense, set it up, and watch your website become a steady income stream. To embark on the Google AdSense journey, the first step is to sign up for an account on the AdSense website and provide your website or blog's URL. Once approved, you can start displaying ads on your website, and every click translates into revenue. Google AdSense offers various types of ads, including text ads, image ads, and video ads. You have the flexibility to customize these ads to match your website's design, ensuring a seamless and engaging user experience. The benefits of AdSense are numerous. It allows you to earn money without selling products or services. It's easy to set up, and it requires minimal maintenance. Plus, the robust analytics provided by AdSense enables you to track your earnings and optimize your ad placement for maximum revenue. But the real magic happens when you incorporate Google Maps into the mix. By displaying local ads, you not only boost your revenue, but also contribute to the growth of local businesses. It's a digital win-win that requires no upfront investment and opens up a world of possibilities for anyone with a website or blog. 3. Geolocation services and consultancy. Now let's explore the rising trend of geolocation services. Businesses are actively seeking experts to enhance their location-based marketing efforts, and this is where you can carve your niche. Position yourself as a geolocation consultant, leveraging the power of Google Maps to help businesses understand their audience, identify local trends, and craft killer marketing strategies. Your expertise not only turns into a lucrative side hustle, but also positions you at the forefront of an industry that's continually expanding. Stick around as we uncover the strategies to offer your geolocation services and capitalize on this booming trend. The realm of geolocation services is fascinating and holds immense potential for those looking to make an impact. Geolocation services use technologies like GPS, Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth to determine the physical location of a device or person. While these services offer numerous benefits, including location tracking, lost or stolen device recovery, and improved user experiences, they also raise valid concerns about security and privacy. The future of geolocation services looks promising, with advancements in technology leading to more accurate and sophisticated applications. As businesses increasingly rely on location-based data for marketing and user engagement, your role as a geolocation consultant becomes even more pivotal. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of offering geolocation services, helping businesses harness the power of location data, and ultimately, building a thriving consultancy business. 4. Google Street View opportunities. Now let's take a detour into the visually captivating world of Google Street View. Ever dreamed of being a virtual explorer? Well, it's time to turn that dream into dollars. Become a Google Street View trusted photographer and earn money by capturing stunning images of local businesses and landmarks. Your photos become part of Google Maps, providing businesses with a powerful tool for promotion. It's not just about photography, it's about storytelling and revenue generation. Stick around as we unravel the steps to become a trusted photographer and tap into the visual side of making money with Google Maps. Google Street View is a feature within Google Maps that allows users to explore panoramic views of streets and roads worldwide. The process involves specialized cameras mounted on cars, bicycles, and backpacks to capture 360-degree images, creating a seamless and immersive experience. While Google Street View offers numerous benefits, including route planning, business visibility, and urban environment studies, it has also been a source of controversy due to privacy concerns. In response, Google has implemented measures like face and license plate blurring, as well as image removal requests. The future of Google Street View looks promising, with continued global expansion and the development of Street View-ready technology. This technology allows third-party companies to capture Street View imagery, opening up new possibilities for diverse views and applications. Stay tuned as we explore the opportunities, challenges, and future developments in the world of Google Street View. 5. Local SEO services. Using Google Maps. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the powerhouse that is local SEO services using Google Maps. In an era where businesses strive to shine in local search results, you can be the guiding light. Offer your services to optimize their online presence, enhance their Google Maps listing, and skyrocket their visibility. It's a win for them and a win for you. As the world increasingly turns to the internet for local discoveries, your expertise becomes the catalyst for businesses to stand out. Stay tuned as we unravel the strategies to offer local SEO services using Google Maps and tap into the ever-growing demand for online visibility. Local SEO services are a crucial aspect of helping businesses thrive in the digital landscape. This involves optimizing a business's online presence for local search results by focusing on website optimization, Google My Business listing, and local citation building. As the digital ecosystem evolves, businesses need to have a strong online presence, and that's where your expertise comes in. The benefits of offering local SEO services are far-reaching. Increased visibility in local search results, more website traffic, and the potential for higher customer engagement and loyalty. Choosing the right local SEO service provider is essential. Look for a reputable company with a proven track record, offering a comprehensive range of services, including website optimization, Google My Business optimization, and local citation building. Stay tuned as we explore the intricacies of offering local SEO services, the future trends in this dynamic field, and how you can position yourself for success. And there you have it, fellow hustlers, a comprehensive guide on making money online using Google Maps. From the local guide program to Google AdSense, geolocation services, Google Street View, and local SEO. If this video has brought value to your hustle, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your fellow hustlers, and subscribe for more in-depth insights on making money from the digital frontier. Remember, it's not just about making a living, it's about crafting a life of abundance. Thank you for tuning into this extensive exploration at Moneymaker Energy. Until next time, keep hustling, keep exploring, and keep unlocking the secrets to building your financial empire. Stay unstoppable!